Welcome to tradeyourway.co.uk. It's Wednesday, 3rd of October. It's currently 11:30 in the morning. Just looking at the euro dollar because it's setting up for potentially further downside. The first that I have here showing on the weekly time frame is around 11,450, so 11,448. So 11,450, nice round number. That's the target for the week. It's about 100 pips away, that's all. That's on the weekly, as you can see. If I drill down and have a quick look at the daily, just to show you how we're currently moving, looking for further downside, although it has got a few support obstacles to, well, hurdles if you like, to overcome first. Currently the daily shows that we've been down quite nicely. We may well have a few days of retracing back up, but we really have to see what happens today. The current open today is 11,550, so looking for shorts below 550 for 100 points down to 11,450. So it's a 100 pip potential move to be had. Just waiting now, as I say. Again, you can see the fibs, the halfway mark, the 50% here on the daily showing as well on this current range. If I just drill down just to show you in a little bit more detail, we're just waiting for a potential signal to actually take the shorts, but as I say, we have a few support hurdles to overcome first. This is 4 hour very quickly on the euro dollar. So we broke through the first initial trend line that we had after testing it, and then we've been down ever since. We've had a bit of a move down in the last 4 hours in this 4 hour candle. We've got about 25 minutes left on this candle. Really want to just see if we're going to spike back up and retest the highs, or if indeed we're going to break this trend. As you can see, we are making higher lows, if you like, higher highs. There's the trend. Just to show you that in a bit more detail, it's just taking a little while to load. Higher highs, and here it is in a bit more detail. There's the trend line that we're currently testing. We've just come down to test it. Haven't quite touched it, but we've kind of bounced off it almost. There's also that 50% on this smaller range, which is what I was saying in terms of support. There's trend line support and there's a fib support, so a couple of strong elements of support there to hold this. However, if it does break down, we didn't quite get to yesterday's target, which was 11,500, 11,497 to be precise. That's based on the current swing movement that we've had. Let me just drill down again. It's just showing you in a little bit more detail the resistance levels. Interestingly enough, we've sort of tested here 4 times, and then we've gone down. So there is a good element of resistance to the downside, and obviously we're just sitting on support at the moment. So sort of wait and be patient. Maybe another 25 minutes. See if we get another bit of buying, another rally up into this afternoon session with the US traders, or whether or not it continues to go down. Do envisage there being a bit of a bounce up because nothing's really happening at the moment. In terms of what sort of move, is it going to continue up to here to 11,600 level, which is €1.16. Sorry, $1.16. We'll see what happens here. However, if it does go up here, I may be looking to sell for back down to 11,500. Again, just some simple analysis just to show you how price action's currently behaving and how it's sort of bouncing off key levels of support. I did do a video earlier highlighting the pound dollar is in a similar situation, looking for a bit of a break for it to come back down. Then we'd be looking at 11,500 and then 11,450, so 50 pips and then 100 pips. So they'll be the two targets, target 1, target 2. Again, we're just going to wait and see if it does that. If not, then maybe we just have to wait and be patient and see what sort of retrace it does, because currently we are, as you can see, still in a bearish trend. If I just get rid of this one for a minute. I just want to show you the dollar basket, because the dollar basket is perfectly correlated with the euro dollar right now in the way that it's moving. That too has just been testing the 50%, this time 50% to the upside. It's tested it and it's actually broken through. I haven't drawn a trend line as such, but if we were to put a trend line on here, you'd probably see that we're kind of just testing it, resting on it. We take the high there up to about there. You can see that we are trying to break through trendline resistance. There's a fib resistance. Got to wait for this next hour or so just to finish off. Currently the time is now 11:38. Just wait and see what happens here. Maybe we'll have another move down here, which would then see the euro dollar move up. Again, interesting to see. If you were looking for some longs on euro dollar, you might be able to take a few points to the upside for definite. Just keep an eye on the dollar basket as well, because as I say, it's currently correlating perfectly with it. Okay, that's it for now. Just going to be patient, keep waiting, keep watching, and if anything sets up, we'll see if we can get a trade. Thanks.